We're currently at the James J. Rowley Training Center. We just received a new helicopter, the new VH-3 Delta. To get the new Marine One helicopter, Deputy Chief Mike Jazwicki initiated a conversation that led to our partnership and relationship with the Presidential Helicopter Program. We worked with their current commander, Colonel Rantham, and their lead maintenance officer, Matt Cooper, in order to get this new aircraft. This helicopter is an authentic Marine One platform that has recently been decommissioned. For over the past 50 years, this aircraft has flown every president and vice president around the world. It's a genuine piece of presidential and Secret Service history. For those agents going to the president's or vice president's detail, this provides a hands-on, realistic training environment. We are able to give the basic special agent classes more and better protective training. This is another step forward in advancing the Secret Service's training capability here at the Rowley Training Center.